According to you, from childhood to till, in your known circle, in your family, friends, colleagues, whatever, with your known circles, you feel she is intelligent. Okay, please write their name on your notebook. So you have returned, you have feel that he is intelligent because he has some quality. Because of that only you have returned it. So what is that quality make you to she is intelligence? Can you please write that quality? And please, before going to write quality, I will ask so that only one quality or two quality can write. Okay, I'll come one by one. Okay, so PC Mohan, no? Sorry.
Yeah. PS Mohan.
PS Mohan. So what is that quality that PS Mohan sir has so that you feel he is intelligent? What that quality?
Good at handling joint family issues.
Okay.
Within the family issue.
Okay.
Got married to all the sisters.
Okay.
Then he settled and dividing all the properties clearly. Portion whatever the percentage has to be separated. The property dividing. So he
successfully has done
my engineering classmate.
Okay. So now I can say that what his quality is, he is a people person. He give importance to others' feelings.
Yes.
Basically, he is a good people person. He understands others' emotion. That is what he can able to manage.
Yes.
Please write down. He is a people person. He will understand others' emotions easily. Please write it, sir. Okay. Please tell me, madam.
He is a good administrator and he is very successful.
Okay. What is that quality? No. Please tell me. What is that quality to make a good administration?
Good management.
Okay. To make a good management, what is that quality he has? What is that quality? एक तो quality होना चाहिए, उसकी वजह से वो कर पा रहे हो. क्या हो सकता है?
Very good at.
He may be a good decision maker. As an administrator, requires a good decision making. I'm just giving you a clue.
Yes.
You feel that he's a good decision maker? Wonderful. You write it, sir. Because I want to make you what is intelligence, what is not intelligence. Okay? Okay. Yes, sir. आप बताइए आपके उसके पास क्या चीज है? तो क्या क्वालिटी उसकी पर है वो आप मान रहे हैं कि वो इंटेलिजेंस है?
सक्सेसफुल जब फर्स्ट स्टेज सक्सेसफुल जब फर्स्ट स्टेज सफलता की पहली कड़ी है.
हाँ ओके.
और ये स्पिरिचुअल पावर्स.
ओके स्पिरिचुअल
पावर्स और एंड लर्निंग हाई.
आप उसका वो जो स्पिरिचुअल उनके पास जो चीज है स्पिरिचुअल रिलेटेड जो भी है
मेडिटेशन.
हाँ
सोशल वर्क भी बोल सकते हैं. सोशल वर्कर.
Okay. So he's good for the social related activities, social concern related.
There's a professional degrees.
I can say he has a spiritual intelligence. I'm just asking. Spiritual is also one intelligence actually. So he has a spiritual intelligence, but he's more of the spiritual or something else. Intelligence क्या है? That's what.
Spiritual में तो सब आ गया उसमें.
Okay, he has a spiritual. He's good in spiritual. Please write it, sir. Spiritual intelligence.
The way he handles his business.
The way he is able to handle and the people.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. He is a good decision maker and people person. So these are the two important. As a handling, decision making is most important. People intelligence is most important. According to the situations, according to the people, and he has to take the decision. He has to handle the whole business. So he has a two quality that is called people intelligence plus decision making intelligence. That I can say problem solving ability also, because decision making, problem solving too. You have asked the whole business you said, no? Because of that. Problem solving, decision making, and people handling. Yes, madam.
She is having a better adjustment with other people.
Okay. Within. Okay. So they understand themselves and they understand others. So intra and inter. Getting the point? Understanding themselves is also one most important. And understanding others also another intelligence. Intrapersonal and interpersonal. Please write it.